Do people do this when they buy pop mart? They labeled it on the top.
Yeah, mine is caramel.
Oh,
It's yours.
thank you.
We have the card.
Two bread.
Oh no no, it's okay, thank you. Yeah. This is what I prepared for dinner. This is for an oneul dish. So I got my garlic freshly chopped, sliced and chopped a little bit, bacon, a bit of chili, mushrooms, and I'm going to use my black pepper as well as this black truffle sea salt that I got the previous time I went to SF. So I'm going to try this. I'm excited. I am now leaving the house again to meet my friends for dinner. Singapore is being so hot now, by the way, it's crazy. I just came out of the shower and I'm already perspiring. Okay, catch you soon. Hi guys. Just came back, showered, and now I'm just doing my nighttime skincare and decided to speak to you guys for just a little bit. I didn't do like, you know, like a speaking segment in my first Vlogmas, and my partner was saying that he didn't like it that much and he preferred it when I was speaking, so I thought maybe I'll just give it a try for like this second Vlogmas series. And yeah, right now, oh, in case you're wondering, I'm using a sample pack from Drunk Elephant, and this is the Proteini Power Peptide Resurf Serum, which helps to strengthen and resurface your skin. And yeah, this is the one. I can't turn it the other way because if not, all the serum will come out, but yeah, this is the one I'm using. Got it when they had some like marketing event going on at Sephora. To be honest, not bad. And they gave us like, okay, they gave me like 3 packets of serum and 3 packets of moisturizer. I used up the moisturizer sachet a lot quicker, so I'm using this serum still, but I'm going to be using my normal moisturizer, which is the Clinique not 72 hours anymore, it's 100 hours auto replenishing hydrator under the Moisture Surge series. I'm gonna put that in. Yeah, I just thought that maybe I can do a quick chat because I forgot to film when I went to meet my friend. It has been so long since the last time I met her. I think at least 6 months, and it was nice catching up, listening to her, sharing her work stories, and me sharing mine. You know, life changes a lot in 6 months, so yeah, it was nice catching up with her. We had dinner at Harry's, and then we wanted to get bubble tea after that. Originally, I wanted to bring her to try chicha, but unfortunately it was closed by the time we went there, so we went to drink Hollands instead, which was great because it was her first time drinking Hollands as well. And she was very pleasantly surprised by how like the pearls actually change flavor every day. And we were quite lucky because today's flavor was lychee. I can't remember, but I think it was lychee, yeah. Yeah, so the pearls were delicious. I got myself an oolong rock salt macchiato tea, and then she got herself pink guava macchiato, I think. Yeah, so we both enjoyed that a lot, caught up even more at the side of the road. And today I was completing like a card order because I do watercolor, so I was completing a card order, and this is the, oh my gosh, this is the final result. Okay, it is now 11 p.m. I need to clean my table because it is in such a mess, and then prepare to go to bed because I have to wake up bright and early for work tomorrow again. Tomorrow's Thursday. One of our interns is gonna leave this Friday. We are doing like a little farewell lunch for her, so we are gonna bring her out to somewhere kind of near but with nicer food. I will see you guys tomorrow. What are their demands and how we can tailor Keep right. Yeah. Well, we got drenched in the rain. Hi guys, I'm back again, fresh out of the shower after my run, and I realized that I haven't unboxed this, which was very kindly gifted to me by my colleague. This is his early Christmas present. Thank you so much, Darwin. I know you're never gonna watch this, but thank you so much. It's from Bath and Body Works, so let's unbox this. never gotten anything from Bath and Body Works, like ever. Now that I think about it, yeah, never had anything from it. It's so pretty. It's like the wrapping is like iridescent, glowy, shiny thing. Okay. This is what I got. Black Cherry Malot Antibacterial Hand Spray. So I'm not sure if I should be smelling it like that. Out. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh. Oh. It actually smells like... I'm very bad at describing smells. Very sweet. It did remind me of something though. Ah, Fox Sweet. If I can find it, I'm going to insert a picture here. But there's this like Fox Sweet that is a black cherry flavor, like a black currant flavor, and it smells exactly like this one. Meanwhile, this will live at the side of my table. Look at that. Snacks again. I'm breaking my intermittent fasting for this. Just watching Netflix drama and I'm so into this right now. He's like my favorite Japanese actor and she's so pretty.
So all of their business.
Yeah, there used to be such a long queue.
Cake is overrated, man.
It's like more expensive than this, I think.
They don't have as much unique
Oh,
portions. Legit return one.
oh.
Oh, so much stuff. But now they little business.
So fast. I'll get the... Oh. This one is not hot.
It's pretty fresh.
Yeah, this one. How's the gyudon? Did you press the start button? Yeah, this is the first time I see, right? I'm not really grab 2 cups.
I think it was too short. Yeah, you were damn short also.
Okay. Alright. Oh, frick!
有生气有病。
有赌神装。
Barbecue 了。Why you go for? You already go and grab something.
I'm gonna get this one. This is Josian, like a cold Chinese dessert.
Balls,
Taro.
yam, sweet potato, beans, and
What's the base?
some random jelly. Soya bean and grass jellies.
Also, it's half-half.
Yeah, bean curd and grass jelly.
Yum!
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm back home from my visit to Kennel's house. So I do have some things to share with you, and this is one of them. This is actually a play dress which he bought for me as a Christmas present, and he gave it to me early. And this is it. I actually tried this dress on that day when we were out together, but I didn't end up getting it because I felt like it was very pricey for what it's worth. But it's so pretty and cute. So it has this like gingham pattern on, and it has this like A-line bit which I like, and at the bottom it just like flares out with, you know, the different like layers. And I think it just looks so flattering, and I am so happy. I actually burst in tears when he presented it to me because I couldn't believe that he bought it. Yeah. And he also wrote like a little note for me, which is so sweet. Okay. Also received this in the mail, so let's open it up. Open it. Oh, I tore quite a large part of it, and yep, it's a mist. It's called In the Stars by Bath and Body Works, and it's a fine fragrance mist. It's actually a Christmas gift exchange gift, which my colleague has tasked me to purchase it for her because she went away, and she didn't have enough time to prepare gifts. So I told her to just choose something, send it to my house, and I'll help her to pack it up and put it under the tree in the office. So she chose this one, and I'm so happy that it came really quick because I was honestly a little bit worried that we wouldn't be able to get it before the 16th, which is so far. Today I'm gonna meet a friend for brunch, and after that I'm going to be attending a wedding tonight. Haven't properly woken up yet, so I feel like can't really speak properly at this moment. We're at Yashun today for brunch. This is the one that she wants. Oh, really? And she's still trying to weigh and trying to find out which toy it is. Oh my god. You look damn funny, you know.
Oh my god, I think it's this one though. I think it's insanely heavy.
Do people do this when they buy pop art?
Yeah, they do. I look crazy.
Okay.
But these two feels really the same. What is the same? These already.
Okay.
And this, I think.
And which one do you want?
I want either this, or this.
Okay.
Or I want either any of the secrets. So if you see the card is this, or this, or this, then you or this, then you tell me don't open, okay?
Okay.
Don't open the foil, lah.
Okay.
Let me find the card first. It's here. I already saw. Oh my god, so cute! Should I get the other one?
I mean, it's in my hand if you want the other one.
But one is the same.
Exactly what if it's the same?
It feels the same. Wait, how heavy is this? Let me do my research.
Okay.
I'm sorry for... Tell me it's
Oh,
not
okay.
cute.
It is cute. It is cute.
Yay, it's broken hearted.
Oh,
Like
is it?
me. No, the
Say
name.
that. We're at Bath and Body Works, and I'm getting these two, and she's getting these three.
Yeah.
Because it's buy three and get two free. Okay. I've decided to pack the 2 sanitizers with just a packet of the Starbucks white mocha. Wait, I don't have a hand for it. With the Starbucks white mocha sachet, and this will be for the guy because I think this is more of like a guy scent. Oops. And this one will be for the girl because I think it smells more like, you know, for girls. So hope you like it. I'm done. Please excuse my messy mirror, but this is my outfit for today. This is for the wedding, so I have a cute little top with ruffles and a long skirt that goes to the knee and a cute little bag. This is my full face of makeup. I hardly do my what do you call this? Eyeshadow. I hardly do my eyeshadow, so I did quite a lot today, and the rest is kind of the same. So, pack my bag with me. Okay, wait, hold on. Hey Google, stop. Okay, stop my Spotify. So, gonna put my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Natural Beige Pressed Powder in the shade 220. And I'm gonna bring a hair tie and a hair clip. That's always important. What else? My keys and my cards. I'm gonna put that in as well. And my wallet, my AirPods, and my meds. And with that, it's like super full. So okay. Oh, and I do have one more thing to bring, which is my contact lens case, which I'll put in later. And I'm done. Alright. Time to go. So in the end, I decided to do a little clip at the back, so my hair looks definitely a lot more presentable. Like to take out these hair framing pieces at the side, and I'm done. Okay. We're here at the Orchid Country Club. There's a pool. Shall we go?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a grand ballroom.
Okay, grand ballroom it shall be. Okay. Okay.